Science says there are some very real, potentially apocalyptic threats facing us. Pandemics, nuclear war, solar storms, asteroids, even artificial intelligence. We use probabilistic risk analysis to rank them. Same science your insurance company uses. Looks at two things: consequence versus probability. Consequence, human race becomes extinct. Probability, could it happen in our lifetime? Not surprisingly, nuclear war made the shortlist. What was surprising is it didn't make the top of the list. There were several threats that were ranked higher. Resurrect is fiction. It's an apocalyptic techno-thriller with a little bit of romance, but it uses real science to highlight real threats to us. Believe it or not, one of those was asteroids and comets. I know, good movie plot, right? The B612 Foundation estimates that only about 1% of the Earth orbit crossing asteroids have been found. Only 1%. On top of that, many astronomers now believe that there are hundreds of times more comets out there than we originally thought. You think, how could we miss comets? Turns out many of them, maybe most of them, are dark comets with surfaces about as reflective as fresh asphalt. One of them, called Iraqi Alcock, came within 3 million miles of the Earth. It was 5 miles wide. If it had struck the planet, that's a 10 million megaton blast. 1,000 nuclear wars. We didn't see it till it was 2 weeks out. Comets and asteroids aren't the only threat. Now, as depressing as all this sounds, there's good news. All of these threats are preventable if we take action, but you've got to know your enemy.